Hello, assalamu alaikum. I am here with another video. Let's check the concept of little. Earlier, I shared with you a video of few that was about countable for countable things, and this video is for uncountable. So we are continuing this video. Uncountable things we use little. Little means not much or hardly any. So it gives the negative meaning. So there is a sentence, let's have a look. There is little hope for his recovery. Hope is uncountable. Okay, there is little hope for his recovery. Another sentence, he has little appreciation. Appreciation is also uncountable. So he has little appreciation of his good poetry. Moving towards next. A little. A little means some or not much. If you have not watched my previous video, so you should also watch that video so you can learn the whole concept. A little means some or not much. It has positive meaning. Let's have a look on the sentence. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little knowledge. Knowledge is a uncountable. Okay, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Another sentence here is that a little tact would have saved the situation. A little tact is also uncountable. So I will share the video of various vocabulary that you should know, the basic vocabulary words to speak in your language. So here is a little tact would have saved the situation. Okay, moving towards another concept, the little. The little means not much but all are. The little information is also uncountable. I will guide you. I will upload a video on uncountable noun and countable noun. So stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe for the more videos. Okay. The little information he had was not quite reliable. Okay. So the little means all the information he had was not quite reliable. Another sentence here is that the little water he had was not enough to supply entire region. The little water is also uncountable. We cannot count H2O. Okay, the little water they had was not, means all the water they had was not enough to supply all the region or whole the region or entire region. These are various synonyms. So you get the concept of little, a little, and the little. Okay, in the previous video I shared a few and the few, the concept which is countable and it is uncountable. Hope you get the concept. To subscribe my channel for the more information video. Thank you so much.